So I'm making an introduction here. Let's see. Hey, Madison. Yes, we are actually going live here today. Glad you got the notification. So hello, everyone. Just on our way through Kansas today, and got some storms that have popped up here in central Kansas, so we're going to investigate. And just had a really cool photo of a storm that was going up, had a pileus cap on it. So just checking the radar, and storms look good. Freddie McKinney's here too. He's been driving a lot today, so
everybody, it's going stream. It's been a long day, but we're here. We're making it through, surviving.
Yep. So great, glad to have you on board. So hopefully our stream is going to work better today. We're working on it today, doing some testing yesterday. The test didn't work very good, but
I wasn't on your stream. No, I was on mine.
No, I was on Freddie's stream, and that's too bad because he's. I'll take this down because that doesn't need to be in the shot. But anyway, just having a lot of fun with these storms. Apparently, there was a tornado over there in Texas Panhandle, I believe, today, and that was really cool. But right now, we got a storm that is firing for us here. Right now, it's just a thunderstorm. So we're going to investigate it and hope everything works for you. So I'm going to step out a second, see what it's like here.
What's your stream? You wanna? Why don't you stream? Why don't you stream? All right. Jeez.
We got
a gnarly looking mosquito there.
Yep. All right.
Got another mosquito up in the window there.
Stuff's just.
You kill that one
Yeah,
right
there's
there.
that one.
One up in the window there.
Mosquito
attack.
Yeah, you betcha.
Your hat?
Yeah, my hat or something. Yeah, there was a big one behind. I need something to swat them with.
I don't know where your hat
works
is.
very
Let me see
good.
it.
I'll just look back here. Shoot. Okay. Let's see what do we got. Yeah, Madison was on there. She said, "Yay!" So.
Okay, good. Camera's pointed at a.
Bump it.
Yeah, it's pointed at the.
There we go.
Did you get one? Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. That's one
You
down.
got the big one. So.
One down, 10 to go.
You got.
Is that one right there in the corner, or did you already kill that?
That is one. There.
There you go. That's 3 down.
If I didn't kill him, I stuffed him into the corner. So.
Good.
A little bit of a mosquito attack here, but
They suddenly swerve off the road into a
look
ditch.
at Mike. He's spraying some
Oh,
off
man.
on. He's the man. All right, so we got 10 people have joined us today. Thanks for watching.
Mosquito.
I got some skeeter juice.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe next stop we'll
Yeah.
load up.
They got in my car literally trying to get
Oh, I know.
That's what we were just doing.
I gotta spray up. You want it right now?
We'll wait.
Well, maybe later.
We'll find us a better location.
Better
This
spot.
one's pretty beautiful, but now mosquitoes.
Just go, or
Yeah.
just go. You know.
Skeeters, somebody just said on the, who was that? That was, yeah, that bright sun.
That's a lot.
Citrus, what is it? Cereus, I can't.
Curious.
Something. Trying to read this while looking into the bright sun, but anyway,
Not ideal there. Oh, there's another one.
yeah.
Another mosquito. It's coming to your side. Coming to your side. Your side. Your side.
I don't see him yet, but
He's over there. So.
is he?
Yeah.
Might have been the one, these are tough ones,
These are the tough mosquitoes, Mike.
You hit them once and that just makes them mad.
You hit them once, and then it sends an alert to all the mosquitoes within a 1 mile radius, and they come swarming. It's just
Right.
not good.
It's the Kansas killer mosquitoes.
Instead of killer hornets, it's killer mosquitoes. Actually, mosquitoes are probably scarier than anything because they can definitely mess you up. You don't want to get bit by the wrong mosquito. You know?
Been there, done that, so
This road takes us right up to where it's kind of going and doing and it's doing
so
stuff.
you see that one off to the right a little bit, right
Look
in
at
the
that.
picture? It's
Wow.
going up and it's gonna grab some of that wispy cloud stuff up there.
You know, I'm not saying it will happen,
What would you do if it would happen?
but there is a chance there could be a land spout.
Are there any parameter? What's the temperature here?
It is 85 degrees.
85 degrees. What are the dudes?
84 degrees.
All right, let's see if we can figure that out. Or Mike, I don't know. Should I go on over to the our
To the,
parameter map?
You could.
I could if I knew how to do that. So let's see here.
Let's see.
Should I go SPC or should I go to our satellite imagery?
Either way, you gotta go to the same button.
Okay, I gotta push that old button there.
It's right there. It's on the screen.
That one?
No. The bottom.
YouTube. This one? That one?
Close. Shoot.
That one. I don't know.
You actually don't know?
I don't know.
Safari.
Oh, Safari. Okay. All right, there's Safari.
Alright.
Let's go to, why don't we go to over here to observations, just for the heck of it. Let's see, surface observations. We get that on satellite here too, on SPC satellite.
We can. It's better on COD, obviously, but
It is. I'm gonna go to COD.
yeah, might as well. If you go out of this,
Yeah.
so you have at least a time or two. Click that, and then it's a link to just
This area. Oh my!
right there.
Look at the cubes.
What was that, Mike? Deloitte?
Okay, so it looks like there's a boundary right here. nice boundary.
Is that on this road?
Yep, straight.
Yeah, let's do it.
Look what's going up in Nebraska. What's going up there on this boundary.
That's where I want to be, is over there.
But there's one firing right here in our path.
Well,
Let's see.
thanks for joining us, everybody, on this fine evening here in north central Kansas.
So we got Jody. It's on the
We're gonna
stream.
try to find
Jody's got a
the
horse.
needle in a haystack.
Yeah. And then we got
Look.
Curious.
The base is over there, Mike. To the
All right,
left,
15
too.
watching. Appreciate the watch. Please give a like, and we'll go ahead and see what we can find. There's a boundary right here. It's kind of
Just
getting
this
me
line, I can
excited.
see you here.
And then
Is that a boundary that's going like north to south from Beloit down to the south?
Could be. You never know when something like that could do a spout.
so on the boundary, the dews are 57, 82 degrees.
5287, that could do a spout.
57 on the dews. And
Yeah.
82, 57. Yep.
It's hard to see it from this. It's kind of tilted like
Oh,
that.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I can see it pretty good, but
Wow. Hail.
uh-oh.
Looks like there could be some hail up there at
Right.
up to where you were talking. Beloit.
Oh, wow, 66
Beloit.
up to 70 dBZs.
70 dBZs. Okay,
Got a
so
real storm here. That might get a severe warning, actually.
70, Mike.
We don't get see a thunderstorm where you this little guy.
Yeah, we good. We good. Would not be out of the question.
All right,
Let's see.
so
You know, there's cheat code influence up in here.
Is there a little light cheat code going?
I didn't leave my phone back there.
Look in front of you.
The closer we get to the Nebraska border, the better.
Over here. Okay, I'm not used to that.
It was sitting in that cup holder, and then I moved it to put my drink there. Put
Okay.
it up there. Got a turner.
We can take this all the way up to the border, and the environment's just going to get better.
Right, and this road cuts right in front of that storm.
Wow.
Yep.
Get it.
I got it.
Let's
See?
go. All right. Yep. Show the stream.
Sure, you think?
No,
No way, that's too gross.
Don't show the stream.
I want to make sure he's dead first. Hold on. Throwing him back towards you, Mike. Boom.
We
All
just
right.
threw a mosquito.
Out the window.
Yeah, sorry.
Hey, rain ship is off to the left there.
Ooh. Or is it a?
No. Let's see if I can get this move just a little bit. So we got the storm with 70 dBZs. Just going. Going pretty hard off to our west. I'm sure a question is, where are we? So let me see here.
Lightning bolt?
Yep.
Our location is currently Glasgow, Kansas.
Glasgow.
And we're heading to Beloit, Kansas. And then beyond that, we're going to Solomon Rapids, Kansas.
I like that name, Beloit. Something about that name just has a good ring to it.
Beloit, not to be confused with Deloitte, Iowa. There's a famous tornado that happened over there recently in the last month or so.
Yeah, particularly
Yep.
awesome one.
All right, great. We got 19 people who've joined the stream. Kind of late day to get on here, but
Kind of a spur of
we
the
got some
moment.
storms going here.
Yeah. Oh, another skeeter. Coming your
All
way.
right, all right.
On your side. In
All
the
right,
corner.
I see him.
Far corner. Oh.
Oh,
Oh. It's on my
I'm
side.
going to break the windshield here in a moment, but he's coming back.
Coming back. Man,
I don't see him.
where'd it go?
He's down in there somewhere.
8154 toward north of the backing wind.
And how many mosquitoes did get in here? I mean, Oh, I see it right now.
It would be.
I dropped him, but I don't know if he
I think you
killed him.
knocked him out. I don't know if he's dead, but you knocked him out.
Temporarily, I wounded it.
What are you seeing over there? Come on, just do it like a lance bout, you know?
Hey, Freddie, north of us is a backing wind. So this is going into an equipment 8154 with a backing wind around, I would say, I don't know. What is that, Minneapolis? Is that what it's called?
Mini. Mike, that's the
Oh,
wrong
look at the
state.
rotation on it. Special weather statement on our storm right now. Let's see here. Special statement: a strong thunderstorm will impact portions of central Mitchell County through 6:45 p.m. Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Glen Elder, 9 miles west of Beloit. And moving northeast at 5 miles per hour, hazard winds in excess of 40 miles per hour, nickel-sized hail. Source radar indicated impact gusty winds could knock down tree limbs, blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. So, super res.
Oh, up there's a back?
Yep.
Ah, okay.
Where it's heading?
So what you're saying is we're back.
We're back.
We're back.
All right.
I mean, it's a little bit to the west, but you get the idea. The backing wind is just a little west of the storms, but it's that environment.
Yeah, wait.
That must be a differential.
What are you
Super res differential. Super res specific differential phase 1. What is that?
Whatever it is, I like it
I
because
like
it shows
man.
colors.
It does.
Man, when you said it's got a rotation, I looked over and was like, what?
Well, maybe not.
is
Maybe
that?
not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Here, let's see what the velocities say.
Person we met yesterday.
What'd you say?
Is that relative to our discussion yesterday on that elevated road?
So the discussion we had with the elevated road man yesterday, I think he was talking about ZDR, and it was something like, well, when the ZDR shows up, it's like a 5 minute or 15 minutes before the tornado touches down, and I was like, oh, I bet, you know, and then the tornado didn't touch down, but I mean, it was a good thought, you know.
Boy, another one
I
firing.
like the optimism.
Another one fires at Downs up here, Edgar. So I might give you an idea of where. All right, so you got 20 people on the stream.
20 people
over
watching.
here.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody.
Great news. So this is what we're going after right here. And let's see if I can find our road. There we are in the blue dot. Sorry for that. And there's Beloit, and this storm's heading toward Beloit. Special weather statement, big hail on it. Looking like it's gonna get exciting here, so let's see what happens.
We're gonna drive straight into it. Maybe not.
Why not? I don't know.
It's got a 1.75 on the hill thing
Wow.
there. We could slip in behind it and try to get some hailstones too.
Yeah,
If we just-
hailstones would be huge. Lightning bolts.
They
Got,
would?
it's got a couple lightning bolts on it, so we might catch a CG or two.
Wow, 2? Like twins or
Well, like two.
oh, okay.
Two as in the letter number 2.
The letter 2. Okay.
Yeah, keep in mind, this is our 3rd day on the road, and things get a little goofy.
Oh!
There it was, right there.
Oh, man.
Saw CG off to the left.
Wow. Okay,
I think we get under there and just get under the CG barrage.
let's just
see
get
what
in it,
happens.
and I'll just stand on top of the car and
It's
stick my
starting to
arm
look
up.
pretty cool on the right here, the structure of this thing a little bit. Maybe it'll turn into a Columbus windstorm or something.
Man, they could just do that and knock that construction out of there. That'd
You
be
know how
awesome.
those things, they just start like this, and then all of a sudden it turns into a derecho for no
A
reason.
mini derecho. Yeah, those days are long gone for our area, but they used to happen. Man.
Little
Maybe
color
a
in
micro.
underneath
It's
that.
got a micro burst. All right. What are we?
Let's see here. Well, we got 17 watching. at the
17
moment.
people tuning in. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.
20 likes on this thing. That's great.
Yeah, wow. Liking it up.
Appreciate that.
Thank you for those likes. Oh, behind us. What is going on behind us?
Storm behind us.
Yep, it's down.
Whoa, look behind us.
Yep, down.
Oh man,
We
look
might
at
need
that.
to stop.
Look at the sun on that rain shaft right
Whoa,
there.
rainbow. We're gonna find a spin. Although that's pretty cool in front too. I don't know what to do now.
See if
Panic.
has it got a big rainbow on it?
There was like a wedge rainbow at the bottom.
That's pretty cool. All right.
I'm gonna find a place to pull off and look. Probably where those telephone poles are. Unless there's something closer.
There's a railroad tracks right
See
here.
that? Looking for a spot, Mike.
Yep, sounds good,
Just
sir.
for sort of a checkup
Here at
checkup
these.
spot. So we got 23 viewing
All
now.
right, here.
Good job.
I'm gonna take a left.
Alex Resol, South SWS now
Alex.
for that cell.
Alex Riesel.
Deloitte.
That sounds familiar. Where have I heard that?
Alex Resol, is that guy from South Dakota?
Something like that. One of the Dakotas. Wow, this is quite the road here.
Whoa, this is. Oh, look at that over there, the rainbow.
What on earth is that?
Cut it that way.
I'm gonna
quick.
cut it here, Mike.
There's something going on over there. What's in the world is that?
It's like a rainbow
right.
bomb went off.
What is that over there? Just.
It's like a rainbow bomb. You see that?
I do. I don't know how well it's picking it up. Look at the. It's.
Maybe this is when the rainbow gets pulled into the lamp spout. Have you seen that photo?
Look at the colors on that. Get something with your phone. Get a photo. Get your camera.
I'm getting it.
Get your camera. That is huge.
I'm getting it.
I'm sorry, but I
Getting
love this stuff. All right. All right.
Looks like a landslide rainbow.
A land spout.
Try to just zoom in. Got one digitally. Look at the colors on that.
Can't believe it. It looks like a sherbet rainbow.
I've never seen that.
Man, a rainbow sherbet
Yeah,
rain shaft.
just wild.
What is going on out here?
Go ahead.
Are you gonna take it?
I
take
can
it
move
out?
this over.
You
a
want to take it
little
out?
bit. Take it out? Sure.
Yeah.
I got it zoomed in on that at the
Oh,
moment.
and then you can keep it zoomed in on it.
Yeah.
All right, so we got a rainbow
Sherbert
sherbet
rain shaft.
rain shaft. Yep.
That's a good way to call it, Freddie.
Yep, I totally came up with that. Mike did not come up with that.
Oh, Mike did?
Nope, no, I did.
That was a good way to call it there, Mike.
I came up with that. Oh,
Look at it
man.
way up high now on there. Now, hopefully, so if I'm zoomed in like that, hopefully it's not what you're seeing is digitally, and I hope it's not obscuring it too much.
The storm's behind us. Yeah. Rainbow.
There's a new development here.
Yeah, exactly.
To the right.
Just look at this.
We're gonna get a new dump over here.
Okay,
To the right.
to the right.
To the right. Man.
And look at the towers up above that one. Look at the updrafts.
Look at the
This
updraft.
is a less mosquito.
I'm like looking for anything that's cylindrical. That's pretty cool over there, though.
Like even those little, like the tiny little drop downs on the left side. That's where Nova was like so huge.
Look at that. Look at the CU back down.
Yeah. The one behind this storm at Downs doesn't look terrible.
Now look at it come down.
Yeah.
It's coming down.
Even our original one still has some nice striations.
You want to take the stream out for a little bit?
Yeah.
Give them a show.
All right,
Look at the.
let's go ahead and what's up? What's up? I love to draw. Well,
Look at that.
tell you what's up here.
How stout that is.
So we're near Beloit, Kansas, and we've had some pleasant surprise for storm chasers. That is, we got some storms blasting up. Here's the terrain. Got a little bit of corn popping there. Got some
Yes.
corn coming up here.
Kind of obscuring our view, but
But storms off to our west. Apparently there is a boundary, some kind of a boundary right here. Looking up high, got storms coming in.
check down there. Look at that far one.
Oh wow, look at the size of that rain shaft down there.
Look at that.
That thing is
It's a
cranking,
monster.
cranking.
Well, it's a little more
What do you say, Fred?
friendly here than it is in Central Texas. You know,
Especially data-wise, right?
data, and also the fact there's not just a tree here every time you
Yeah,
try to stop and look at something.
True.
Also the fact that we could pull off.
yeah, right.
Everything, everything's
Parking.
better.
Now we love Texas, we love the storms,
Love
but
Texas, but it's a love.
it's not the most pleasant place to chase when you're out there, and sometimes because of the challenges of the road network
Down there almost looks like a, you know,
coming out down there.
well, it almost looks like dust going up in a way. See that? Because it's like more down than it is up top. It's
Oh,
like a
I
narrow
see.
column.
So I think he's talking about right that down in there.
Yeah. What is that?
Okay, I hear some thunder, so that means one thing. Got some bolts. So I need to take a check on the radar. Then we still have that beautiful rain shaft down there that was
That one's a little suspicious.
popping some pretty cool color earlier. Just quick look around Kansas. This is not even western Kansas. This is central Kansas. Just beautiful, man.
Shoot.
It's beautiful.
Hat.
There's even a bird up there having a good time. So I'm gonna put this back up on the
Wow, look at that guy.
and I wonder if we need to move.
I think we need to look that way.
Get some radar checks. Let's go after that over there, maybe, huh?
Maybe.
This one is actually kind of long over here, like you said. That one's got strong too. That would also have statements on it.
That way or? down there?
Yep.
What are they doing down there?
Like the rain curtains, man.
You see how they're like, there's a bunch of tubes?
Yep.
They almost look like. What is that?
I think it's,
Well, we have good internet up here. So, all right. We got this little guy behind us.
okay. There, I got you. I'll bring it on out.
Whoa, look at the lightning there.
All right, make sure.
We got her. Feel there.
Here's the team currently are trying to sort this out. We got Mike Delane,
Heading up that way.
Freddie McKinney, and hey guys,
The real deal.
they're the ones that really are the brains behind this operation as far as getting us on the right storms, and
Yeah, we really
Making it
forecasted
count.
this one today.
we did.
Yeah.
Just
Perfect.
Like we drew it up.
Yeah, I mean, this morning woke up, drew up. a
Here's our
forecast,
target.
Right. If I'm
Pen
not
and paper.
It's probably approximately 6:32 p.m.
Yeah,
That's about what we said, right?
yeah, right.
Rainbow around
Did you hear
6:15.
that?
I said 6:38, so I'm a
Listen.
little bit off.
Is that thunder? Wow.
Oh, I did hear some thunder.
AKA 2330.
So we're kind of deciding between this cluster that has some strong storms on it at the moment and that cluster down there. Look at that rain shaft down there. Really dropping some
Local chaser traffic.
Chaser traffic.
cool stuff there.
Man, look at this corn coming up. It's pretty late though. isn't
Yeah,
it?
look at the corn. Well,
Pretty late for corn.
it's June, so knee high by the 4th of July.
Although maybe,
Um,
maybe I'm just thinking Kansas. would
yeah.
probably be
Kansas. Yeah.
Let's see.
Big. Actually,
So
where we
you
just
got any
came from
radar
last week.
stuff?
Texas.
No. That field where we were just having the skiers, wasn't
Oh yeah, there was some bigger corn. Huh?
I wonder if it's just different.
Different type. Planted it earlier.
Storms.
All right, if you're just joining us here, we are near Beloit, Kansas. Beloit, not to be confused with Deloitte, Iowa, but
Yeah.
Beloit, Kansas. And
But I wouldn't mind it to do a Deloitte.
yeah, do what it did over in
If
Deloitte.
it did a Deloitte, that'd be pretty cool.
See, this definitely spinning. For sure.
Right now we
Now
are
we got some
we are
new-
actually
that's really coming
surrounded
down
by
there now.
thunderstorms.
Clouds coming down.
There's a big one off to our east.
I mean, even right here, we've got some.
Then if you look up,
going on.
you can see the cumulus powering up. I just love to watch the updrafts of a thunderstorm. Top of the line.
What are we dealing with here?
Sounds like
with
a
storms?
seagull.
I mean, that's the biggest thing there.
Sign.
That's the biggest storm
Water.
right there.
Yep.
Then we got these storms here. I mean, this one's.
That's about where we're at right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're in between these. Oh, there's our blue.
Mm-hmm. Right in between.
There you go.
Let's see if I can do a little animate there. You can see this one just really blew up.
this one-
One's blowing up, and that
This
was
one
thunder.
behind us did a merger. So we got a merger behind us.
True. All right.
Watch south.
So that's that. South.
Bring this one behind.
Okay.
South.
Yeah, here's the merger one that Mike was just talking about out there.
Yeah.
So they're really releasing a lot of the energy right now, looks like.
Dumping.
Yeah. That's all that dark in the middle. That's a rain shaft. Hail in there too, undoubtedly, with the way things look.
Yeah, maybe some pea-sized hail, you know. Some little
Anyway.
guys.
Thanks for joining us. We got 38 people watching currently. And we are in central Kansas on the more to the northern side. We are a little bit north and west of Salina, Kansas. We're out by Beloit, Kansas right now. Just a beautiful evening here. Temperature's about 85 degrees. Light breeze here. Oh, it's picking up a little bit here, maybe. And we're underneath a boundary of some kind. And it's really producing some good rain and just some
Beneficial.
cool
rain.
wispy clouds. Awesome.
Corn looks thirsty. Ground looks thirsty.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's bring some of this here.
Although I've seen it look worse. I mean, this is just a beautiful road here. As far as the dirt here, nice black soil.
Yeah, dirt.
Fertile land here for farming. And there's that out there. So
And then down there you can
so
see that's really starting to fall into it.
at the moment we could just kind of hang out here until we see one of these. Now what about the idea of going up into Nebraska, which would be this boundary kind of lifting north a little bit?
Well,
Is there anything to that?
I see a couple things up there to the north. You know? See it?
Okay, yeah. So looking up north. Just not really sure where this is going.
It's that. I know. Keep seeing things that resemble Lance Fountain.
I know. The thing on the right.
Yeah.
I've been watching that. Like,
That thing's really weird.
That rain shaft down there.
Yep. Maybe Stream can tell us whether it's a Lance
Yeah,
Fountain.
I think it's okay. So we got some comments. Jolie Maley, looks like a northern Indiana cornfield, just fewer trees on the horizon. Good observation there. And let's see here. Secondly, can I get a shout out, please? I love to draw. There you go. I love to draw. Appreciate those comments.
Twins.
And he said, he also said, I watched y'all the other day.
left of the reach.
Look over
Beautiful
there.
sky. What are we seeing?
You see it? The V shape
The V shape
right there in
between
the-
us.
See it?
Oh yeah. That's the victory. The victory cloud right out there.
Yep.
It's dropping some rain.
Very range.
Getting it done. Yes, sir. So, let me introduce you to a guy over here, a fellow, Mike Delane. This guy got a video of Ray, Colorado. You need to go over to his YouTube channel, Storm Centric.
Like it's a decade ago.
Yeah, he's got
May have been.
a GoPro video where he was up close with one of the most famous tornadoes in our recent decade. That's the Ray, Colorado tornado. There's the man right there who did the video. So he knows what he's doing. We decided to stay home that day, right, Freddie? That was a great choice, wasn't
Yeah. Yeah, I think we looked at it and we came to the conclusion that, you know, the 5% in Colorado was just not quite enough to get us out the door. So
it? Yeah,
we decided to chase the moderate risk bust a couple days later.
Right.
So,
like they say in Japan, zannen. Too bad. But
Too bad.
yep, that was another one of our bad decisions over the years, but we've had many of those. Many misses in my career at least.
Same.
Yep.
man.
But
One of us
we were
is
really
installed
hoping
it.
this year was going to be different, but the year's not over, right? So
The
we're
year's not over.
We
And there's
still have
also, there's
October.
Thursday.
all right.
There's Thursday.
Thursday. Tell us about
We may be-
Thursday.
we may be back out Thursday.
Right.
We're feeling optimistic. You know,
Okay.
West Kansas, there could be a couple tornadoes.
West Kansas,
maybe
of
some
all
supercells.
places.
I know, Kansas. Crazy. Storms in Kansas. It's wild.
The place for tornadoes to. That's Freddie McKinney, by the way.
The man,
And
the legend,
right, he's the guy.
Dr. Spalding.
Head over, yeah, Dr. Spalding. Head over to his channel, and you will see some good videos over there.
Holy.
He does a lot of documentary style stuff, so
Dr. Hail destroys.
not only are they good videos, but you can get some education from that because
Make sure to watch the
he's been doing this for about 10 years.
That's cool.
Yeah. So what? We got a little one popping up
Hey,
there.
that almost looks like a funnel there on the far left. There's almost like a little nub. See that? There's a little thing in it.
Well, I think that's wishful thinking, but we'll look
I
at
am
it
a wishful
anyway.
human being.
I like your
So,
attitude.
You see
we're
it
looking
though?
right down in there.
You see two now.
Yeah, that's
It triggered
That's-
my senses for
that's a
second.
stretch, I think, right there, big time. By the way,
That's what I was thinking. The chasers yesterday. Oh, you know, it's just like there's so much to just. I know. I just like the guy with the tripod was just like.
what happened? Oh, that, yeah.
Man alive. Some interesting.
I'm trying to
characters.
get my drone up, and it's like he's coming over and gonna plant it on my foot. And I'm like, okay, I'll just move over here a couple feet.
Come on, we got like a whole field here. You know.
Right.
We're gonna
That's
put
why I
your
parked like
drone
100 yards off the road, you know, so I'd have somewhere
That
to.
was so weird. Like, you guys took the best spot. Like, took it.
Took it.
We got it.
What, you were gonna take it? Like, get here a little sooner. You know, maybe you'll get
Wow.
the spot.
There's plenty of room. America's a big country, all right? Plenty of spots to plant your tripod. So
Come on, man.
you know
Looks like we're up to almost 40 viewers here. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. Got some storms.
This guy's
here,
got
you
RP
hold it for
on
a minute.
You want me to hold it? I'll hold it for a
Look at the
moment.
back side of this thing.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Cool.
What is that?
Look at that thing.
Whoa, what is that?
It's like a.
starting to curl out here a little bit. What's that doing? Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, yeah.
And you can tell it's got a little microburst going because the rain's tilting sideways, but
Yep. About halfway up there, there's a nice smooth edge
Wow.
to the left.
Oh yeah.
What's
Look at
going
that
on there?
downdraft. What the heck?
Microburst action. Meanwhile, tornado warning continues for Smyrna, Texas, and Greenwood, Texas.
Good.
Gotcha.
Roger that.
Right.
But you know what? We're also like 6 hours closer.
So look at,
I'll take that.
all right.
you know what, this Delphis.
What's it doing?
This Delphis storm right here. I think it's the one you're looking at, but
Yeah.
some good lightning there.
Yeah.
There's some good bolts there.
We're here.
Special
we're
weather
looking at
statement.
that, and there's there sure is. Right there.
Who's that?
Ooh.
There's a red dot
Did you
there.
see it just took a turn?
Oh, I know that guy.
That's Mike Delaney.
What is he doing?
What is he doing? Wait, I thought that was. How are you here? Go back to Omaha. Go back to Omaha.
Save the microbursts.
But yeah, look at the. There's some structure there coming off of that.
No
for
doubt.
Sure. I'm feeling
Well,
it too.
we could go get under that thing and
Maybe.
Let's do it.
What do you think?
We have to
Get,
kinda
get
move.
close, shoot wide?
I'm gonna go deploy the 360.
sure love the weather right here.
Oh, the 360.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
360 underneath the storm. That, let's do that.
Let's do it. All right. Let's do it.
Back up.
All right.
Let all these mosquitoes out.
Yep, there's
now.
probably. How many
Just open
mosquitoes?
the doors
How
and
many
let 'em
mosquitoes
out.
do you think? They're all going in though, because it's warm in there. There's a mosquito swarm in the car now. Get them out.
Some flow.
Get all those mosquitoes out.
That way we can.
That way we can drive without like crashing as we're. Weird thing down there. Let's. All right, let's see. Let's see it in action.
Oh.
Get around.
Tell us a little bit about that, Mike. What you got there?
Your go-to Max 360 right here
Wow.
on a magnetic mount.
What is the mission? What is the goal with this?
Punch the
Get
storm,
close,
right?
Go 360. 0 meter 360.
All right.
Safety.
So
Safe 0
so
meter.
Mike
Okay.
says right over there is what we need to go and investigate with the 360.
Make sure that it's okay.
Yep.
Give it a health check.
There you go.
Ooh, look at that back over there.
I was a
Mike.
little concerned yesterday. I really need to tether that thing down strong.
Look at that thing back over there.
Oh yeah.
But wait, was it on yesterday when we had like 90 mile an hour RFD wind? That's what I was just pointing at.
That looks like.
Look at it.
Look at it go. That's amazing.
All right.
But yeah, I was
Look at it
a
flicker.
little nervous, thinking it was going to get lifted, but it was all right.
Right out there.
Yeah, I had a
Strong magnets.
little bit of a tether, but it's not industrial. There's a little feeder band going in. This thing trying to like hang in there.
How far away is that?
Look how tall it is.
Oh yeah, look updraft. Way
Mhm.
up there. Okay,
What do we do?
let's go for it.
Is it time?
Done.
Is it time?
Time to intercept?
Well, we are going to get rained on, I guess, from this.
True, this actually kind of has
A little bit.
interesting structure there. There is rain coming out of that.
Yeah.
Is that like a new development or is that?
Look at that little elf shoe. What the heck?
It's kind of the perfect spot, you know.
I know.
Well,
The microburst storm is probably just going to dry out.
definitely releasing some energy, but it's still climbing.
Almost looks like the tops have kind of like wisped out. Now, like the upper level support's going away.
See that little scud thing down there?
I'll just sit and wait and see which one goes down, but
Yeah.
we'll attack that one.
If that's a thing.
See that straight south? In between the core there, a little.
I
Little
see a
nub.
Scud on the left there. That
Mm-hmm.
That's not
you
looking
can
too
take it
terrible.
for a funnel.
Call it in.
Call it in.
Ooh, a little elf shoe on the left side of this thing.
The elf shoe is going crazy.
It's just going nuts.
It also kind of looks like an elephant.
There you go.
What's this one doing? It's
Meadowlark.
so a problem here, we don't have to shear, right? We'll let a shear to get these storms rotating.
Yeah, it's like
Any LLJ on the way?
Can we call it in?
Yeah, the LLJ, you never know.
We got a red phone for that, right?
We got some more
The guys
more bases
right.
down there.
80 knots, please. LLJ, whenever you're.
Exactly. I think we're due right here.
Yeah, if you're. Nothing really going on right now.
Maybe even some environment produced.
Delphos is hanging in there. Just.
So what do you think of Delphos? Delphos.
It's kind of a little guy. This is from the Topeka radar.
what's going on.
Let's just get under that one. Delphus?
Delphus.
It's right behind us, basically. That's
That
where this
storm right
guy's
there.
apparently sitting right north of it.
Who is
We
that?
want to avoid
Yeah.
that.
Do
at
not
all
go near
costs.
that. Whatever that thing is.
Yeah.
All right, well, I think we better get on it. Over here. Better get on it.
All right.
Time to get in the mosquito breeding land. I already got.
Watching, Mike.
There's already one that just flew out. Shut the door. Roll that up.
All
Quick.
right.
All right.
We'll watch Mike punch that storm.
We'll send Mike in. In for intercept.
All right, everybody. Thanks for the likes tonight.
Comments and maybe even subscribers. If anybody's subscribed, and feel free to do that.
Okay, so we got a message deleted. Oh, I see. Oh, gotcha.
All right, let's.
Looks like a northern Indiana corn. All right, gotcha.
All right, we gotta spin around here.
"42 people watching currently. Give you an update on where we're at and what we're planning to do."
Mike.
Excuse me, 46 people watching, so.
We going live?
I'm just doing time lapse. Time lapse action.
All right. Maybe you remember something else. I think he.
Okay.
All right. Appreciate you joining the stream tonight to give you an update of where we are. We're a little bit east of Beloit, Kansas.
Whoa.
Now we're headed to Delphus. Let's see here to show you where we're going. So we're heading down here to it's Delphus, Kansas, if I'm pronouncing it right. That storm right there. I want to give you just a quick. That storm, you know, it's got that says 67 dBZs. Just sort of a pretty good, strong reflectivity signature. Quite possibly some hail. You know, I don't know if it's pea size or whatever size, but we're heading over there now to investigate that storm. Actually, can't see it very well. I'm going to show it to you right here out my window. That storm right over there. I love that you are chasing in Kansas, grew up there and moved far away, and miss it. Nice to see it. Thanks for all you do, Kim. You bet, Kim. Appreciate that comment. And we love Kansas too. Kansas actually is one of, if not maybe next to Nebraska, but one of our favorite places to chase is Kansas. Because Kansas historically has had many awesome tornadoes, and we've seen some good tornadoes ourselves there, so it's a great place to chase. So tonight we're not expecting any tornadoes, but you never know. It's June, and we would, you know, by our forecast, we would rule it out, but you just never know what could happen. Stranger things have happened, so.
Definitely.
Look at that rain shaft over there. Man, that thing's really dropping stuff. Pretty elevated at the moment, so.
Wow.
It's just really,
That's quite the core in it.
yeah.
It's like a highway to like go south somewhere. That would be, unless that is.
Yeah, so maybe Mike has an idea of how to get down on that. I don't know how we're going to get over there. Is there something in between us and that? Is there any... Oh, we're going to have to go gravel. How about that?
You mean just it's going? I was thinking about dropping down before we got to the core.
Yeah. Over here? In front of it?
Maybe, but
East of it?
That's alright.
Okay.
Get up here. Oh, here's a little road. You can take
Road?
this. Is it a real road?
Oh, it's a beautiful road. These are the kind of roads.
There we go.
These are the kind of roads we like. These are the kind of roads we like right here.
They can go
Oh, wrong rotation.
see where we are, and
Yeah.
it's kind of moving like something.
It's very standstill, isn't it?
If anything, to me, it looks like it's
And look
moving
at this
almost like
one.
it's almost moving south.
Look at this one, yeah. Look at this one punching back into it, like feeding it from the back, which must be these right here.
Yeah.
So this storm has got a storm flowing into it. All right, just tuning in. Here's the storm we're going in for a closer look of. This storm is currently impacting Delphos, Kansas. Delphos, Kansas, you might get some hail coming your way as this storm moves off to the east, but also southeast. It might come just below you. If you haven't had any rain for a while, this might be your big chance.
What is this? Simpson.
Simpson city limit. Simpson, Kansas. Boy, it's a beautiful Wizard of Oz type place here.
Wow.
Okay, we got, all right, so I see a new comment here from Rescue Me. Just making my rounds, trying to support the storm chasers by doing that. Laugh out loud. Okay. All right, hello.
Yeah. Thanks for your support.
Yep.
We appreciate it.
Out there.
Yeah, Jody, it's pretty beautiful.
All right. So that's the situation we're going toward. We got some storms out here. Also off to our west. There we go. Oh, just got a little shaky.
Seeing anything?
Trying to make sure the camera's a little more stable. seeing that big rain shaft. It's just a little bit over here, right there. Still very strong storm precipitation wise. So if you're just joining us, we are here in, approaching a storm near Delphos, Kansas. We are on our way back from Texas, chasing today. Came across the boundary here in northern Kansas, and some storms began to fire. For a second, kind of coming through a little ravine here.
Yeah. It's a nice road, just it's a little narrow, but it's a nice road. We hold stream and all that stuff through here.
Yep.
Full bars, good. That looks like a tower.
There you go. 45 people watching currently, 48 likes. Appreciate all those thumbs up there. Let's see what we got as we look off to the east. See if we can find a road. Oh, here's a, oh boy, I don't know.
Bad, but
No.
it wasn't great.
It could get bad though.
It wasn't bad, but it wasn't great.
Okay, look at the radar here. Kind of zoom out a little to see.
Let me go to this next one or something.
So right now we're right now there's the storm.
Plug her in too at some point.
Okay, I'll do that next. There's the storm, and we are kind of sliding in right behind, right there. That's the storm. We're coming in behind the storm, actually. And this is what stuff here. So this is Kansas. It's beautiful country down here through here right now. Storm's off to our west. Big storm off to our east. So we are sort of perpendicular to the storm. So we're looking for a road that we can cut west. Some kind of ravine.
East or west?
East, I mean, some kind of a ravine down here, river maybe. What's going on down here?
Something like that. Yeah.
Something's blocking our path. I think it might be a creek. Maybe right here. Yeah, there's some kind of a creek there.
Got some corner action here.
Corner action.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Now we talk.
Yep. Right now the storm's over there, so I'm gonna rack it because my arms get tired.
Just looking for a place to pull off. Yeah, just
Maybe check in with Mike and see. Maybe I'll give him a call, see what he's thinking.
there you go. There's a road. Well, they have rocks, and then it looks
Yeah.
fine afterwards. It's just not the front.
So we're looking for a, you know, an east option.
Just a road to pull off.
Yeah.
Those didn't look too good. What do you think?
Yeah. I can get the one to the west was starting to try to do, but maybe they're just too close. There was a good amount of lightning coming out of the west one, and it was starting to kind of try to do something. I don't know. I think it's all kind of a slap, but hey, at least we have a look.
Yeah.
Might be something up here.
All right, we're trying to find a.
I think there's a road here.
Look at the west one closing in between us.
Yep.
See how we're getting sandwiched in here?
We're gonna get munched.
See this, Fred?
Just stop.
Yeah.
So, where do I look? Where do I point?
Do you want to skeeters in this place? It might be better to go back to that intersection. If we get out here, I think the mosquitoes will. There's a good shot right there of the. What do you think, Mike? Got any suggestions for where to go?
Right there. I mean, just kind of depends on what happens here. I assume these two are gonna
The road.
merge.
Oh, there's the road network. I wonder if that road would get us over.
We could almost go north and then east again.
One more mile south.
Yeah.
There might be a road that will. I don't know what it's like, but we could try it.
Yeah.
That might take us.
To go where?
All right, I'm gonna cut out. He's coming over. I think. Well, if he wants to get over to that with his 360, nobody's gonna see in there, but.
I have no mission.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's just, we can write it out however we want.
Well,
Man, it's wild. There's just like rain shafts everywhere.
just like clusters,
just hang
doing
out
cluster
here.
things, and
Well, just hang here.
See how it goes.
see what happens. I guess. Yeah,
Low battery.
that works.
All right, so
So
we got-
close on that too, because it shuts the camera. There we go.
I'm just wondering if the RFD from one will help the other.
I
They're too far away though for that.
don't know. They're kind of just like pulse things. So, but
this front one, when we animated, it seemed like it was kind of standstill. So I don't know if this one's flowing into it. It just kind of ends up just keeps planting
You
right
can
about
see it's
there.
kind of spinning up there though.
all right.
Pretty much facing it. No expectations.
Yep, yep. So we were just
Somebody get a little.
these
south.
storms popped up, so we decided to come in and check it out. Now Beloit one's firing and starting to kind of track up to the north.
Looks like it's a left
So
split.
we could almost, do the 81 thing and try to intercept it
Well,
as
here's-
it's coming across.
Here's the boundary of the outflow that's now rushing out of this cluster. It's kind of like fanning out, firing a boundary up there. So, yeah, maybe. What do you think? We're back to This guy turning, or where's this guy going?
Maybe.
Is he coming this way?
So maybe we go down here. What if we go down here 1 mile? This one. See what's going on with this one.
Yeah, maybe go back
Wait,
to
wait,
Concordia and then,
And over and then up.
yeah, maybe. Let's see, any new commenters? Yeah, good to see some rain here in Kansas. This is actually northern Kansas, but the
I
rain.
guess you had it on.
Yeah, I had it on. Rain's definitely good to see. What's up?
Looks like they're choking a little bit.
Yeah, they are.
Off the
The
boundary.
outflow's kind of.
Yep.
Someone was wondering about maybe kind of heading back to 81 and try to catch that one that's coming up
Yeah. Let's do it.
toward Concordia.
Because
Alright.
more things are popping further north as that boundary lifts north, so we could just go to Concordia. and
Yeah.
then-
I think the air to the north is still a little bit better.
Yeah, it
wind
is.
Profile.
Well, this is all getting
Yeah.
destroyed, basically.
It's just like outflow fest.
You
Hmm
can see
But-
the outflow boundary right there moving.
That's gonna.
Moving
I
out.
mean, that's doing the opposite on the other side, so it's kind of spreading out. And
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Concordia?
yeah, let's do
Alright,
it.
That sounds good.
All right, I'm
Be
gonna.
safe. I'll be with
You too, Mike.
We got a little fake nipple right there.
Oh. Okay, where?
Right here.
You see it? There it is.
Gotta
The
get
fake. We got a fake nipple over here.
Now, is he referring to under there?
I think so. Yeah,
Yeah.
because that's the first thing I saw.
Yeah, you bet. You bet.
Yeah, we're seeing it, Mike.
Some scud right
We
there.
see it.
Nice piece of scud that resembles a flannel, but I don't think it is, so. But that's pretty cool.
Might have to count it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna log it.
there you go.
It's an unconfirmed funnel.
All right, so new plan. What's the new plan here,
I
real
was
quick?
about to do something else there, but
Oh, okay.
what's the new plan? Is to go to Concordia, where these storms are moving up to Concordia,
Okay. Let's give it a shot.
and also happen to be on the way.
Yep. On the way to
back.
the.
A little bit of hail on that storm. That's not the
Mhm.
one we're on currently, but another thing just came in.
Fly just went out too, I think.
Wow.
All right.
Rotation there too. All right, let's flip around. We gotta go.
Yep.
We got maybe a big day on Thursday too. We're gonna have to get ready for.
Yeah, we sure do.
Definitely want to get a live stream up on that. Because that day could be one of those days you don't want to miss.
Yep.
It's getting these many, even at what they are,
Mm-hmm.
out of nowhere.
Yeah.
It is kind of weird because we're just driving and like, oh, look at that.
Just as we're up on it.
Yeah, I mean, it like waited for us to get up here. You know?
Yeah.
Perfect
Fine.
timing. Would have been an hour later, we would have been gone, you
I
know,
know.
down the road.
Here we are.
It's a little gift. Look at that.
You bet.
I'm saying, like, there's a couple good looks around here.
It ain't bad. And then we got this one up here too.
Some elevated stuff, some not so.
There you go.
Some mid-elevated stuff. All right.
Let's see. Yeah, you probably were using the Hastings radar.
Yeah, another comment on there.
All right. This comment is in some kind of foreign language.
Is it?
Yep.
Is there a way to translate it?
Maybe.
The translate option anywhere?
Let's see. Nope. Hit cancel. Just did it. Well, it's kind of cool to be able to catch some storms on the way back to Nebraska
Sure.
from the big state of Texas. Interesting chasing Oklahoma Panhandle, Texas. This weekend, or not weekend, I guess it's midweek. Next big day. Well, we don't know if it's gonna big day. We're keeping our eye on Thursday. Maybe heading back down to Kansas.
Maybe heading back here. Not here,
Yeah.
here, but
Well,
this state.
Back here. Yep. Maybe down to Dodge City. We haven't had a good Dodge City chase in a while.
It's a mouthful in here.
Yeah, I've heard that one. Okay, the cluster now is all kind of moving in the same direction, so this road looks a little sketchy down through here.
It's a good little
Looks like
asphalt.
Looks like they repaired it.
Doing some repairs on it. Yep. Let's see.
Said your MacBook left behind,
I
but
hope not.
yeah.
Should be right there in my backpack.
Okay.
Zoomed in any.
Oh yeah, I guess it was. Boy, this is quite the view up here.
Yeah, you can see everything up here.
Yeah, you really can. So, off in the distance, Kansas storms. Just an incredible view. Yeah, there we go. Making our way back to Nebraska.
Yep.
Checking out a few storms along the way. A little boundary fired here.
Get back to the home front.
West and northern
Pretty good hills
Kansas. Yeah. So far, we haven't had any stream problems. I'll say that. Let's see what happens here. Right,
Just cuts. Definitely doing a little better than
30 current viewers.
doing better than Brady, Texas area yesterday. But
Yep, had a lot of problems yesterday with Freddie's live stream. So we figured figured out the problem though, so hopefully we can make the adjustment going forward. I can't tell if it's
What are you attempting to do?
Let's see if it's on. I can't see it.
What are you trying to do?
Oh, here we go. Just put some AC on. It's getting kind of humid. Humidity.
Some sun breaking through.
Looks really good.
There. This is the little cell
Looks
here
really
that's in
good.
front of us.
So this is the one that's tracking toward Concordia. So we're going to head east, get on 81, get in front of it, and go north. Go north and get in front of it.
Let's see. Yep. Well, yeah, I wonder what that
It's actually gotten a little stronger this
Thursday has
morning.
in store. What day is it? Tuesday? Tomorrow's Wednesday.
Thursday, so 2 days out. Maybe I'll swing on over to the
The models.
yeah, the model. So how do I get back? There's college on the page.
There's already a tab.
Okay. There we go. Guess I'll just click on. Alright, so looking at, let me get this over here. First I'll show some stuff here.
Maybe we'll get the herd tonight too.
Yeah, there we go. So we got the boundary here. That's fired some storms. These are either flowing into that one or maybe flowing into the one that's in front of us right here. There's actually a storm right here in front of us. And that's tracking east toward Concordia, Kansas. On the back there you can see the updraft going up on it, so maybe it's getting stronger. Kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at for Thursday. So this is the NAM Nest or NAM 3K model here. So we're looking at this area right down here in southwest Kansas, above the Oklahoma Panhandle. And that's an area we're keeping an eye on. Also up here in northwest Kansas and northeast Colorado, there's some storms that this model is showing firing in that area. So that's kind of got us excited because we haven't seen anything around here like that for quite a while. So
Also, like seeing the backed winds, they're kind of
There you
flowing
go.
in. The wind bars are moving in favorable
Yep.
directions.
So, yeah, good point. So he's showing these wind bars here flowing into the storm. That's a good sign, bringing that moisture and that wind shear into those cells. Hopefully that'll be a good day. That's coming up on Thursday. So that's actually there at 6 o'clock. That model's predicting that's going to happen. Anyway, we'll see if that pans out. We'll watch it closely. New model will be coming out this evening. Later, to give us another look at that scenario. Okay, so if you're just tuning in, this is John McKinney, Storm Chaser, and got Freddie McKinney riding with me, and we are
Now? Just now?
something going on to the right here, so we're going to be investigating that. Oh yeah, I see some.
Where is it?
I see some dust on the ground right here.
Cows.
Are you talking about like a Gusnado?
Yeah, I don't know.
Gusnado or
Or maybe just like, I don't know. Just running east to west. That was what was confusing
that?
me.
That's a tractor if that's what you're talking about.
Oh, I could see from any angle.
Is it close?
No.
Oh,
It
maybe
was
maybe
beyond
not.
The tree grove. Beyond the tree grove, like about,
Okay.
I don't know, a mile down the road.
Count it.
There's nothing above it. I'll go back to, I'm recording my 360 right now, so
Oh, you are.
time-lapsing it, yep.
There you go. I wonder what that would look like.
I don't know.
It's like a 360 Stormscape.
There you go.
A 360 Storm Centric.
Let's go.
What do you see?
Dust.
Okay.
Yep. Think so. I didn't see it. I can't really look over
Yeah,
there.
I know. But I did. I was talking.
Yeah,
at
we
the time. I
we
didn't-
missed it. We missed it, Mike.
What's that?
We missed it, so we're gonna have to go back out Thursdays in hopes of trying to catch it.
Yeah. I'm down with that.
Thursday.
Wait.
Well, that's when's that?
Thursday. I don't know.
Oh, that's Thursday. That's 06. Clear out, so very sensitive.
That's a beautiful picture. Golly.
Very scenic out here. All right, I think we're coming up to a town, Glasgow.
So that storm, there's a storm that
Wow.
fires over in Ray
And I do like the backing ones
on
there too.
23Z. So
We're gonna have to do some environmental checks just to, you know.
speaking of Ray, that's Ray, Colorado right over there, and that's a storm that fires on Thursday, and that's up here I'm talking about, in this corner of Colorado, near the Panhandle of Nebraska. And the backed winds are the arrows pointing into the storm, curving into the storm. We like to see that as storm chasers. It gives us some hope that that storm will be rotating. And who knows what'll happen on Thursday. Who knows if that'll hold, who knows if that'll stay together. It's still 2 days out, but we haven't seen anything close to that for this
So the hail is kind of interesting.
part of the country.
You said hail?
Good lightning, though.
That's,
Oh, man.
oh man, see that kind of curls up in there.
So moisture is kind of lacking up here.
It is
But down here,
Dodge City.
moisture big time, so probably would favor down there based
Okay.
on just
So back
Dews.
to the dews. So, by the way, I'll give you a shot out the window here. We're kind of sideswiping this storm here on the way over, and then we're gonna head over to Concordia. But now we're still looking at Thursday here, and I would not be able to grab the thing there. I'd probably mess it all up with my fingers right now, but those are the dews, those blue on the map.
green, blue,
Yep, green, blue,
the higher dew points.
63, 64 dews in there in the Dodge City area where those storms will be potentially firing on Thursday.
Got a tractor.
Tractor on the road here, we're gonna be safe.
Thank you. You do, sir. Now, could you maybe?
Yep.
Good job, Mike.
All those farmers.
Yep.
Give you an update. We will. We are heading east right now. We're going to get over to Highway 81 in Kansas, and then we're going to take a left turn, head on up to Concordia. That'll probably be our last shot at seeing a good storm for you today. Thought we'd just jump on here as we intercepted a little boundary here on the northern side of Kansas.
Right back to where it all began here about an hour or so ago.
Was
Yep.
that it right there?
That's the hill, probably right there, the beautiful hill.
Man,
One heck of a view up there
there
on
might
top
even
of
still
that.
be a mosquito from over there in here. Is that a deer crossing? I saw a giant deer cross the road like a quarter or half a mile in front of us.
All right.
Like, that was a huge deer. I saw it way out there.
Is it
left.
beyond this
So, like, see where that
intersection?
tree is? It would
Yeah.
be near that tree, so let's look.
All right. Let's see if we can.
Maybe it was a horse. I don't know. It's huge.
Huge deer. Huge deer.
Went
Okay.
down in there, so maybe we can go find it. It's in there somewhere.
Oh, there's a
I'm looking.
creek.
As we're looking, another one comes.
Yeah, boom, there.
And
Not something you want to see too often when you're,
no,
Oh, man.
especially when you're driving at night. You don't want to see them at all then.
but yeah, when it's nighttime, that's a.
Because you only see them in your headlights, and that's not a good thing.
And when
right?
when it's in your headlights, that means they're close.
Yeah.
Now that's what I'm excited about when I see the name show things like 03Z, OOZ, 03Z, you know. I love
All right,
parameters.
let's look at that again.
I
So
love pretty colors.
Freddie likes the colors. He gets excited about it.
Reds get me excited.
These are Supercell composites. And by the way, if you want to check this stuff out for yourself, maybe you're already familiar with this, but we often use, for the simplicity of it, now I just knocked it away, but this model it's from the College of DuPage. And you don't have to pay anything for this model. Thankfully for the college, they have this online. Gives you access to all these different tabs that are different models, and you can do some of your own forecasting right there. We use that tool quite a bit.
For free, too.
Yeah, for free. We like the free stuff.
Yep, COD's a great site. I agree with that.
It's free. It wasn't free to whoever put it together and posted it. They put a lot of work into it.
Well, it's the College of DuPage, so it's the I guess the college there that does it. So really nice that it's free. I would pay money to.
Probably some funds donated to the project.
I think there is, yeah.
Maybe even a grant or something, I would guess. But
If I had to pay money, I would, because I use COD like 50 times a day. Like I wake up and I look at it, and I go to bed and I look at it.
Yeah.
And then I wake up in the middle of the night and I look at it.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
It's just,
you bet. Yes.
Virgia? Yeah, I think, well, we had some. Yeah, we had some.
What's going on down there?
Oh, you know,
Is that
just
Texas? Where is it?
Pampa, Texas. Panhandle.
Panhandle.
New supercells
Look
taking
at that
over.
thing.
Look at the rotation in there. Huge rotation.
That's turning into a beast of a storm over there. Yep.
All right, but we gotta get that. We gotta fix something, and then we're gonna get back out there. At
Yep.
our hardest.
We got a plan to fix Freddy's stream up nice and solid.
Yeah, if anybody was watching my stream yesterday, you may have saw I was losing signal quite a bit, but we're gonna address that issue hopefully here tomorrow. So the next time we head out, I'll have a much stronger stream. So nobody likes to watch a stream that's constantly dropping, and nobody wants to stream a stream that's constantly dropping. So it's kind of a win-win for everybody.
It's all right. It was a test, and
Not exactly, but
it was an attempted test. It was a test, and sometimes tests don't always go the way we want them to go. Well, that's why we test. So that is a pretty cool storm. You see that storm off to the right? The Delpha storm. It's still looking pretty cool. It's got a little bit of a bonnet around it of some kind. All right, there's our sign for Concordia. Let's see if we got anything out of this one over
got
here.
this way.
Okay,
there we go.
so
Here we are.
there's the storm just off to our west. If it's going to make its way over to Concordia, maybe we could stop for a moment in Concordia and take a little pit stop break or something and take a quick look at it and say adieu.
Yeah, but thanks for tuning in, everybody. Appreciate it.
Yep, got 30 people currently watching. Let's see. Find out where you're from. Be sure to, before you go, give a good like.
Holy smokes.
What day is that?
Friday.
Let's see how this thing's going. I haven't checked anything on here. Got some tornado warnings. Tell you what, that Pampa, Texas really
Pampa, Texas really went crazy,
You know,
didn't it?
yeah, it figures today is the day to overperform, just big time. But it happens.
Definitely overperformed. Yeah, live.
So I just noticed, picked up a few subscribers tonight. I appreciate your subscribing to the channel. Thank you for those likes out there. That's great, and the good comments. So hopefully we can continue to bring you some good. Hopefully bring you some good HD stream and get you out on some severe weather in the future here. As these storms move a little bit more to the north, it'll be easier for us to get out more frequently and stream more often.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of a challenge to get down to Texas. It's like a 700 mile plus one-way drive. So yeah, it's tough for all the chasers.
It's easier when you can just commit a whole week to it, though. And you don't have to come back and forth so quickly. But that's why we're looking forward to it getting a little bit more within range. That's why Thursday is exciting, because Thursday is not actually all that far when you compare it to Mexico. So
For sure. So what are we looking at? What are we looking at here, Fred?
what are we looking at? We're looking at a cluster of supercells in Texas. It's a little bit hard to discern what's going on looking at this, but the main parent supercell is actually still here, and you can see the hook back in there, and it's got a large circulation right there.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Still tornado warned right now.
There you go. So there's a nice. That is
Now, good luck attempting to chase that.
Yeah. Right.
Normally you want to be on the southeast side of the storm, but there's a new supercell that is exploding on the southeast side of that, near Pampa, Texas. I wouldn't be surprised if that's got some humongous hailstones based on that look, and that is exploding. So that's going to be the new dominant supercell here shortly, and that's going to take over this one. Not much rotation at the moment, but you can tell that's a classic supercell shape. And then CG Barrage in the inflow notch, textbook developing and intensifying supercell right there.
All right, Freddie. Thanks for that. Maybe that would have been okay. It's hard to forecast these things. Yeah. But got a little semi-crowdness here on the right a little bit, but
We gotta share the road here.
Freddie's got it handled. But thanks for that commentary on that storm there. I mean, that's some enhanced risk stuff right there. So that's the kind of thing that we're going to be getting out on when we get up here to Nebraska. So
And that could be something like we're gonna see on Thursday.
yeah,
Wouldn't be surprised if we get some big old supercells. And we had a giant one in Texas yesterday. We just had some data issues and just weren't able to really give you a good live shot of that. We tried, but trial and error.
it's all right. It's all right.
You live, you learn.
Okay, let's see what's over that direction. There we go. Level it up. Watching these. I don't know if that storm's going to hold for us. Getting over to Concordia. We'll look at it on radar. Looks like it's not. Is it not holding together? Let's see. I don't think it's going to make it over here. That might be it for the day there, Freddie.
What?
Our storm right there. I think it's
Oh yes, it is.
going to cut underneath us, and that's probably going to be the end of that.
It's gonna be. In fact, you can see the updraft just shriveled. Look at how tilted it is.
All right, let me get a shot out
You see
that
that
window.
out the window, Mike?
Let's see.
So how tilted that updraft is.
Yeah,
We're
tilted
turning
updraft.
more, so when we go back straight,
You see a little better get up there. You can kind of see out the window there. That's storm's getting knocked down.
yeah, that's what we're just pointing at. It's like tilted sideways, and the outflow's pushing it north, and it's like shriveling up.
You bet.
Pretty cool looking.
It is.
So appreciate you tuning in. By the way, if you haven't, if you're new to the channel, you're just watching right now, I want to recommend a couple of channels here. Freddie McKinney has a YouTube channel with some really good storm chasing content, and then we're also chasing this weekend with Mike Delane, and he has a YouTube channel as well. So appreciate all that support out there, and hopefully you're enjoying all the chasing that's going on this time of the year. So, and with that, Freddie, what do you think?
I don't know. I think Thursday is our next opportunity at a tornado or a really big storm. You know,
Sure.
the next big thing that we could stream.
There you go. So just taking a look up north, it looks like, yeah, facing. Yeah. Okay, so, all right, just appreciate the great comments, photos tonight. We did get some photos, maybe. Might post some on Twitter. And, just really great there. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around. Probably going to sign off here. You can see we got some sun setting here on us. Anyway, it's been great. It's been a great chase last couple days. Saw some really cool stuff. Had a lot of fun.
Yeah, Oklahoma the other day was pretty nice. Boise
Right.
City.
Boise City. So yeah, you can actually see our stream of that. It's on my channel. We streamed that. Got some really cool shelf cloud we had on there. Some severe
Supercell structure.
Might have even we got some gustnados on that. as
There were
well.
some gustnados, yep.
So you can check that out.
And even that nighttime too, some good lightning.
So now we're heading back to Nebraska. We are going to do a little bit of work over the next couple days, and then maybe if not both of us, likely one of us might be out on Thursday. Just kind of see how this pans out storm-wise, kind of watching the model. So anyway, really appreciate you being a part of the stream today, and don't forget to hit that subscriber button on your way out, and just appreciate everybody. But I'll leave you with that shot there of as we come into Concordia, Kansas. I think this is Concordia, right? Yeah, looks like
Yep,
Concordia.
this is Concordia.
Big
so-
town of Concordia. We're rolling through there right now. So I know you probably didn't come just to see the town, so we'll go ahead and say good night, and you have a good, safe rest of your week.